PS Idol. We are Talentadong Sino Idol Idol Night. PS Idol Night. Idol Night. Okay. Sino? Sa kanila, sir?
So among the performers na doon natin diri, we chose the comedy dance who made the people impressed. Diri lang, ha? Ay. Comedy dance, please step forward. Nakuha mo yung special award para sa
PS Idol. Congratulations! Ano mo applause, please? Palakpakan po natin. Siya po ang napili po natin PS Idol of the Night. So, kayo mo prize mamaya, ha? Okay, thank you so much. Congratulations. Okay, malapit na po na tayo sa final.
Opportunity to make a special announcement. Tomorrow is going to be a high school night. So everyone is invited to witness that night. So there you have it, high school night for tomorrow.
Yes. Okay, let's support the high school night for maraming salamat sa iyong SNHS dance group. Thank you for the very nice special performance hours ago. Eto na ang pinakahihintay na lahat. Ang malaman ng buong sambayanan ng Sirawain kung sino ang talentadong Sirawain noong 2014.
Go, push mo lang yan. Ikaw na po, Chun.